Are you 25 with zero savings and feeling like you're already behind in life? You're not alone. And more importantly, it's not too late. Rent, food, bills, maybe even debt. It feels like every paycheck disappears before you even see it. You try to save, but there's never anything left. Here's the truth. It's not about how much you make. It's what you do with what you have. Let's build your savings from zero in just 6 months, step by step. Month 1. Track every peso or dollar. Use a notebook or app. List down where your money is really going. Awareness is the first step toward control. Month 2, set your savings goal. Even just 5,000 pesos or $100 is a great start. Open a digital bank account with high interest. Keep your savings out of reach, but easy to track. Month 3, automate your savings. Set aside at least 10% of your income the moment it comes in. Even small amounts add up fast when you're consistent. Month 4, cut small, unnecessary expenses. 150 pesos for milk tea every other day? That's 1,800 pesos a month. Replace those habits with homemade versions or free alternatives. Month 5, find a way to earn extra. Try selling online, tutoring, or doing freelance work after hours. Even a side hustle making 1,000 pesos per week adds up to 4,000 pesos a month. Month 6, look back. How much have you saved? Celebrate your progress. Then reset your goals for the next 6 months. Keep building. You're not behind. You're just getting started. What matters is that you begin. Start now, and 6 months from today, you'll thank yourself.